60 Minutes Overtime.
This is the New York Stock Exchange that you always see on TV. But this is where the real action is today, inside these computers at a brand new high-tech data center in Mahwah, New Jersey.
It's very quiet. The thing about high-speed computers, they don't make much noise. About the only thing you can hear is the air conditioning, the sound of the air conditioning.
How big is this place?
This place is about 3 football fields large. It's bigger than an aircraft carrier.
Larry Leibowitz is the chief operating officer of the New York Stock Exchange. He gave 60 Minutes correspondent Steve Kroft and his producers the first look at the inner workings of this new kind of automated trading floor.
Okay. They wouldn't let us shoot the exteriors. They gave us an address that really nobody could find. It was on a sort of an unmarked street near a couple of intersecting highways.
Veteran 60 Minutes producer Tom Anderson.
They didn't want us to say exactly where it was, exactly what was inside.
Now this, I take it, is a hardened target with dogs and steel fences and all sorts of things.
Yeah, absolutely.
And why such steep security?
So it's the nerve center of our market.
But believe it or not, this vast operation takes less than 15 employees to run.
So 15 people at a time?
Yeah, something like that probably.
In the whole building?
In the whole building. It's a ghost town.
And it really was like a ghost town. And that's what the whole facility is there to support, these computers. But the computers are doing all this work for the exchange. There's nobody running them. They're all sort of on remote control.
How many computers?
Well, each of these rooms will hold about 400 racks of computers. Each of those would hold at least 10 computers, so 4,000 to 5,000 computers per room we have here.
Mm-hmm. Not only is the building running itself, many of the trades are conceived and executed by the computers themselves. The computers are programmed to decide which stocks to buy and sell. It's called high-frequency trading.
These are essentially robot traders, right?
Well, no, they're not all robot traders. Sometimes it could have started with a human decision.
Isn't it true that these computers are receiving instructions from an algorithm, a mathematical formula?
Some of them, it's the whole range of things that occur in the securities market are occurring within this building now.
There's one thing that I found fascinating about this story. Tell me what you think. Imagine this sterile pod, and you have the computers of the New York Stock Exchange. Attached to them by wires, long blue wires, are the computers of traders and brokers, high-frequency traders, investment firms, everybody. They found out that a computer in that pod right next door to the exchange's computer got information faster than a computer at the far end of the room, and therefore had a speed advantage. Now, I don't remember if it was microseconds or milliseconds, but it was enough to make a lot of money. So the New York Stock Exchange put in, I call it speed bump software, to equalize the playing field just in this one room.
So nobody has an unfair advantage?
Nobody has any advantage. It's going to be 65 microseconds, essentially, between any of them. And that
65 microseconds?
That's right.
What does that mean?
Well, a millisecond is faster than you can blink your eye. A microsecond is a lot smaller than that. So these are, we're getting down to, how fast can the electrons travel.